hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to see few more examples for method overloading. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, now I will tell you about int arg method. That is, if we write int dot this is like var sorry arg method, like you can say var arg, in which we can pass different number of integers or no number of integers. Like it can range from 0 to any number of integers. Any number of integers. It can take basically 0 integer or like any number of integer. For example, if I call obj dot m1 nothing, okay, if we pass nothing, then also this will cover this method. This will come in this method and print, like let us print var arg method. Okay, so this will print var arg method. And if I pass, okay, let me copy this, and if I pass like one integer, it can take one integer as well, and it can take more than one integer as well, like 10, 20, and more than two also, like it can take three integers as well, 10, 20, 30. Now if I run the code, we can see the output var arg method, var arg method. Like this method, like int I can take 0 to any number of integers. Now what if I am writing one more m1 method which will take only one integer, that is int I. Int I means it will take only one integer. Let me print integer here. So for this line, what will happen? Like if we pass only one integer, it can go in var arg method or it can go in integer, right? So this is valid for both. This should be valid for both. We know, like we saw, this is valid for this, and we know that like if we are passing one integer, this is valid for this as well, like for int I. So what will be the output for this? So yeah, let's run and check and then I'll explain you. Okay, so it is integer. Why? So var arg method is new concept in Java, whereas this int is a old concept. So whenever there is this can come in this and this both, right? In var arg method and normal integer. But since var arg method is the newer concept and int I is the older concept, in this case whichever is the older concept will get the priority. So here int I will get the priority and we will get the output as integer here. Okay, now let's see something more. I am making a class parent, right? And I am making one more class which is child. Class child extends parent. Okay. Now in this m1 method, for now I'm removing this. Now in this m1 method, we are taking parent p as the parameter and I can print here parent. Okay. And here I will take child C and I will print child here. Okay, now I'll remove this for now. Now, since parent and child, like concept of inheritance, right? So, in how many ways we can make the object? Like parent P is equal to new parent, which is parent reference and parent object. Now, we can make child C is equal to new child, which is child reference and child object. And I will make parent R is equal to new child, which is parent reference and child object. Correct? And child reference cannot hold parent object, right? So for now I am commenting this line, and if I call obj dot m1 p, so this will go in this method, right? P is parent and m1 is taking like parent as parameter, so this will go in this method, and obj dot m1 c. Okay, so this will go in child. So let's run the code and check. So parent and child. Now what will happen if I will pass obj dot m1 r? Here parent reference and child object. So what will get executed? Where it will go? In which m1 method it will go? In this or this? Will it print parent or will it print child? So yeah, let's see. Okay, so it is printing parent. Why? Because we know that this is what? Method overloading. And method overloading is also called compile time polymorphism. I said this in the first video. And which is like based on reference type. So this is what? Reference, and this is what? Object type. So, in method overloading, execution happens in compile time, which is based on what? Reference type. So, whatever is the reference. So, what is here? Parent is the reference, right? So, it will go in parent method. This one, this M1 method, and will print parent. So, yeah, that's it. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye.
Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the